In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Facebook Dating. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. You will see the familiar blue and white interface that many users recognize. Take a moment to locate the Facebook app icon, which typically features a white F on a blue background. This is the starting point for accessing your dating features. Once you have the app open, you will have access to your newsfeed, notifications, and various menus. This step is important because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, tap the menu icon, which is represented by three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. This icon is usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen on iOS devices or in the top right corner on Android. Once you tap it, a side menu will slide out, revealing various options for navigating through Facebook's features. This menu is your gateway to different sections of the app, including your settings and more. It's reassuring to know that you have quick access to everything you need from this menu. From there, scroll down and tap on Dating. This option may be located a bit further down in the menu, depending on your app's layout. Tapping on Dating will take you to the dedicated section for Facebook Dating. You will see a sleek interface designed specifically for connecting and communicating with potential matches. This is crucial because it allows you to focus on the dating experience without distractions. Now, tap on Matches. You will see a list of people you have connected with on Facebook Dating. This section displays your matches along with options to chat or interact with them. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it is where all your interactions with potential partners take place. You will feel more comfortable navigating through your matches after you understand this step. Open the chat you want to delete. You will see the conversation displayed on your screen, showcasing the messages exchanged between you and your match. Take a moment to review the chat, ensuring you have selected the correct conversation. This is important because deleting a chat is irreversible, and you want to make sure you are acting on the right chat. Next, tap the three dots or shield icon located in the upper right corner of the chat window. This icon provides more options related to the conversation you are currently viewing. Once you tap it, a menu will appear with various options for managing your chat. This is a simple yet powerful feature, giving you control over your conversations and allowing you to tailor your experience as needed. After that, tap Delete Conversation or Delete Chat if that option is available. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This step is vital because it ensures you want to proceed with deleting the conversation, preventing any accidental deletions. You might feel a sense of relief knowing that you have the chance to reconsider your choice before it's final. Finally, tap Confirm. This action will delete the chat, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that the conversation has been successfully removed. This makes sure your changes are saved and the chat is no longer accessible. Deleting a chat can help you curate your dating experience, allowing you to focus on connections that matter to you. And there you have it. You now know how to delete a chat in Facebook Dating. Following these steps will help you manage your conversations effectively and keep your dating life organized.